Here's something to remember for students and teachers alike. You've got to remember to save as you go, as unfortunately this map doesn't auto-save as you play with it. So if you navigate to the save icon at the left-hand side of the screen, and you click on it, you'll be met with a variety of options. For now, I'm going to click Save as it's the first time I'm saving this map. This will bring me to this pop-up. Here I can type in a title. For example, I'll name this one Test. It also lets me choose which folder I'd like to store it in. The folder you're seeing on my screen is the default folder. It will be whatever your name is. You can see that if I click through, I've got 3 other folders that I've created myself. If you want, you can click this to create a new folder. Then you can give it a tag. Think of these like hashtags that help you boost your content if you choose to publish your map for others to use. These should be things such as United Kingdom, trees, carbon, that provide contextual information that others would use to search for. Lastly, you can provide a summary, which acts as a description of what your map is showing. This can be useful as a personal reminder or as extra information if you choose to publish your map. For this video, I'm going to leave these blank as they are optional fields. Now that I'm happy with this information, I can go ahead and click Save. Once that finishes loading, my map is ready to go and safely stored on their online server. I can see this is the case via the banner at the bottom of the screen and the lack of blue icon badge on the save icon at the left-hand side of the screen. If I were to make a change on my map, for example, if I were to change my base map into something different, because I've made a change, the blue icon I talked about before conveniently lets me know, hey, there's something here that you haven't saved. This time, if I click on the save icon, then I can choose Save to save my current map changes, or Save As to save these changes as a completely new map. To access all of your maps, simply click on the hamburger menu on the top left corner of the screen and click on Content. From here you can click through to any map or data you've saved in the past. May you always remember to save. Good luck!